Coucou les amis, welcome to my channel. It feels so weird to say that, but anyhow. Good evening. We are getting ready to step out for the night. My friend Tab is hosting another Thursday night social dating event this evening. Why can't I think it's Thursday night? Pretty sure it's called Thursday night. Anyway, I'm gonna have the name and the link and everything in the bio so that y'all can register for upcoming events for the singles and those that are just trying to make friends out here in Indianapolis. So this is my outfit of the night. I don't know that y'all can see the full thing, but I've been wanting to do this look with like the jean shorts and the boots. So this is what I came up with, kind of just like a nude moment with a matching nude purse. So this jacket, I believe is from Marshall's. Same with this sweater. My jorts are from Fashion Nova, and so are my boots. What do we think? What do we think? Did I ace it? I think I'm giving 10 out of 10. And then just simple gold jewelry. And then I am wearing my Apple Watch because, baby, 2026, we're closing all of the rings, okay? So, yeah, let's go and have a good time. I don't know if I said, but it is Thursday night. Get the point, like Thursday night. That's the name of the event. Anyway, yeah, so let's go. Sorry if I seem nervous, y'all. I'm so excited to start vlogging, honestly. I want to take y'all on all of my adventures. If you follow me on Snapchat, this is what I usually post on my Snap, but I wanted to reach a broader audience, and not only that, but like actually be able to save all of my videos and look back on it. Whereas now I'm sure everybody knows, like Snapchat is trying to have us pay for our memories. Like, what's up with that? So this way I can look back like years from now and watch all of my content. So yeah, this is gonna be the beginning of my very first vlog. Oh my gosh, it feels crazy even like saying that out loud. I'm nervous, but we're gonna have a good time on this channel, okay? So let me head out. I am actually gonna be helping out our hostess, I think with like the check-in process. But yeah, let's head on out of here. It's about to be 7:10. I'm supposed to be there before 8 o'clock. So we just arrived to, what's this hotel called? Waterworks Hotel. I'm using the front camera, hold on. Our hostess for the evening. What are we looking most forward to tonight?
People finding their true love.
People finding Tabby's not serious. So she has these little games set up at the tables, which is cute. Sundra and Vice has their menus up. We have a DJ over there, and yeah, I'm excited, but I won't even be partaking in the singles. Ooh, I gotta go back to work. so bad about picking up the camera and vlogging, but this week really hasn't been busy. Last weekend I was home for Dara's surprise proposal, and that went really well.
And I was, oh, it's really beautiful.
And you guys, it's not like I was rushing, but I was just so in the moment. I did not record at the before and after. Of course, I got videos of her, of the engagement and everything. But as far as like a before and recording who all was there, and even after, while talking to her for a little bit, I didn't get any of that. And it's fine, but I'm still trying to get used to reminding myself to pick up the camera. So we're gonna work on that. Otherwise, today is Saturday, January 17th. We are ready to go get our pixie maintained. Our pixie maintenance. We're going to the salon, and we're gonna go see Miss Jackie, our beautician. So I found her. How did I find Miss Jackie? I think I was just looking for a hair salon, a beauty school actually, because they usually are less expensive compared to like the IG girls that be doing hair. And so I was looking for at the time to get a trim and a treatment, and I've just been rocking with her ever since. So that's who we're gonna go see. I did not schedule an appointment, but I feel like it's 9:30, it's still early enough to where I can walk in and hopefully be in and out within like 2 hours. Today we also have the company holiday party. Well, real quick, back to my hair. So Miss Jackie is the one that cut my hair. Obviously, it's in a pixie now. And I did that last month. I haven't been back since. And so she said I can get maintenance or do like the whole like treatment, relaxer and things every 6 weeks. And if I want to go in every 2 or 3 weeks for a style, I could do that. So it's been about 6 weeks since my pixie. So we're gonna go and get the maintenance done for that. And then later on this afternoon, evening is the company holiday party, and I was part of the planning committee for that. So I have to be there like 2 hours early. The party starts at 6:30, so 4:30 I'm meant to be there. So I'm hoping that Miss Jackie will be done before noon so I can come back and start getting ready for that. So yeah, let's head out. I made my coffee. I actually am using a new coffee, instant coffee. When I initially, because I do Instacart now, I've been an Instacart girly lately for my groceries, and I ordered from Kroger. I was looking for instant coffee, and I saw this one. It's an espresso instant coffee, and when I saw the size, I didn't realize it was just 2 ounces. So when this came, I was like, now why would he get me the smallest thing? But I actually ordered the 2 ounces one, and I don't know if I just didn't pay attention to that, but this is really good. And it's espresso. I love an espresso espresso shot, like an extra espresso shot in my lattes. So this is perfect. I do that with oat milk. And then I have my little snack because I'm a little kid. I was telling, last night, my manager took us out for team bonding, And so she took us. She loves like Broadway shows, musicals. That's her thing. And so they're doing a re-edition of Michael Jackson's life, and it was so good, y'all. So during the show, like during the intermission time, I was like, dang, I really wish I had a bag of chips. But no, just a little snacky snack, because I've been snacking so much lately, and I don't know if it's just because of my period, because I've been on my period this week, but like I'm such a snack girly. I love a quick little snack. So I ate applesauce this morning, and then I just have these what are these called? It's too early, y'all. My brain's not working. With wheat thins. I love wheat thins. They're high in fiber. They move things around. If you never tried them, definitely get into them. Anyway, let's head out. Of course, I'm gonna take y'all with me, and I'm gonna ask Miss Jackie if it's okay that I record. I don't think she would mind. I'm also recording for TikTok. I've been trying to be in my TikTok era too, but yeah, let's go. Real quick, I realized I didn't do an OOTD. Real simple, y'all. I just have this two-piece set from the TikTok shop. I have my Nike Metcons that my brother gifted me. I think it was like 2 Christmases ago now. And then this jacket. I love this winter coat that I got from Boohoo. It has a cinched waist, and it just has like these strings inside that you're able to pull to give you a snatched waist. Okay, do we see that? Yeah. So anyway, let's get out of here, y'all. It's now 9:43. This is what I'm talking about. Always late. For what? And then you don't even have an appointment. Let's go. One I was missing, the opposite of fiction, that's facts. Always forgetting, I don't care about opinion, that's facts. Facts. That's the one I was missing. Just the beginning, it don't get no better. As long as you hold down, I'll be up for whatever. And I love the way you look, because I see forever. I'm ready before, but I want you now more than ever. You make me wanna pull you down. I am. Baby, with you I ain't got no doubt. Just tryna let you know now. With
could be the kind of girl that you could be down for. 'Cause when I look at you, I feel something tell me that you're the kind of guy that I should. All you need is the time and I come into you. I better get all my love and take it home, baby. I wanna stay by your side, be with you, cool you up, and let you know everything will be alright. I wanna be down, I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. No matter time, I wanna be down, with what you go. I wanna be down, I wanna be down with you. No matter time, I wanna be down.
Hey babes, so we got our cuts. Of course, I'm gonna show y'all a better look once we get home, but you can already tell it's giving what it needs to give. So we're at the mall right now. I wanted to get some silver jewelry to go along with my outfit for tonight, for the company holiday party. So we're gonna go into H&M. It's 1:45 right now. I literally want to be in and out. Like I said earlier, I have to be there by 4:30 so I can help set up and everything, do like the last minute, I think like put out the gift bags and stuff. I still have hair on me. Miss Jackie, one thing about it, she will not take hair off of you. Once she's done, she's done. Get out her chair. she'll be like, next person. But anyway, yeah, just want to be in and out, so that I can go home and get ready. Cause I obviously like want to film and things, so I don't want to be in a rush. So let's go in there. We literally only have H&M now. They close Forever 21. And that's where I used to get like, you know, quick, cheap jewelry. But I've noticed that I've been starting to get a rash around my neck from wearing like fake necklaces. Like sometimes I'll like sleep in it. I can't do that anymore because it's really starting to bother my skin, even with the earrings. So I'm gonna talk to mom about investing in some like real jewelry, so that, I don't know if y'all can see, probably not now because I be rubbing on it to make sure that it doesn't look ashy and that my skin is peeling off. But definitely gonna talk to mom about that. But you guys, what do we think about my hair? Or should we talk about it later once I give y'all a good look at it? But anyway, we'll talk about it later. Let me rush in there real quick.
J'ai sorti une quiche à balèze. J'ai payé, sur les chauffés, j'ai laissé des milliers chaud. On fait des sons forts, toi tu fais des sons chauds. Oh, si tu prends le cash, nous c'est sûr qu'on est chaud.
Finally dressed for the night. Remember I said I'm going to a company holiday party, and this is what I put together. Literally everything is from my closet. This is actually an old dress that I just folded inside and turned it into a skirt. And then this blazer is a dress. You could wear it as a dress or like as an open blazer. And then I cinched it on both of the sides. Yeah. To give it some shape. And then I just have this top, a basic top that I'm wearing inside. I'm also wearing shapewear, just because I thought that I wanted to give an illusion that I was showing skin, because I have so much black going on, you know. So what do we think of the look? My shoes are old. I forget where I got them from, but everything is literally out of my closet. This purse is also like a year old, probably from ASOS. This blazer is from ASOS. The dress, I don't know where I got it from. I don't know, it's been time, but, oh, my hair, you guys, what do we think? Miss Jackie did what needed to be done per usual. I hope I'm in focus and in the camera lens, because the way I have you guys set up right now, I don't know. But this is what, again, my hair is giving. I am so satisfied with it. She did it. I do have, I don't know if y'all saw it, but I have a rash right here, so I didn't wear a necklace. I put like some glitter on my chest. It's 4:16. I need to head out because remember I was supposed to be there early so I can help with like the setup before the 6:30 start time. So let's go to the company holiday party. I am obsessed with my outfit. I tried to do like a video for TikTok, so hopefully I got the angles because I didn't know what to do, child. I'll probably just snip it, whatever. I did a couple twirls and spins, so hopefully it gives something so I can post. Anyway, ciao.
You say nothing's wrong at all, baby. I say that we're falling off, baby. Maybe we just ain't been on the same page. In my mind, I'm done fighting. In your heart, you keep trying.
Good afternoon, friends. Hope you all are staying warm. I was just out looking at the snow. I cannot believe how much it snowed. Every year that it snows, it just feels like I don't remember what it's like when it snows. So we're actually in a winter storm advisory right now. Well, first of all, excuse me, guys. I've been so bad about recording, but as you can tell, I'm not at my place. I'm at my parents' actually. They live up here in Fort Wayne, and my parents are traveling, and so I'm actually here just to send them off and help them with their travel process and everything. So yeah, we are in a winter storm advisory. Today is Sunday, January 25th, I believe. What's today's day? Yes, Sunday, January 25th. It's currently 1 p.m. now. And my mom is cooking, so I was gonna go and help with that. I don't really have much planned for the day. My mom is finishing up her luggages today, and I also will be doing her hair so I can show what that's like. I think that's really it. I will be showing you guys also my diamond painting process. So this year, I think I'm gonna do like a sit down of things that I want, not as far as like goals, but things that I want to start to do for this year. So I guess kind of like goals for 2026, but I have started to read. Like I just want to learn more, read more, increase my vocabulary. So that's one thing. And then just taking up hobbies. So I started what's called diamond painting, and I will show you guys my progress later on this evening when I get back to it. Otherwise, I don't really have anything else planned. But yeah, we saw the snow, you guys. It is snowing. And I feel like I always forget what it's like when winter comes, especially here in the Midwest. Like, it will snow. And we're expected to get like 13, from anywhere between 8 to 13 inches. I'm sure you guys saw, like, the grocery stores are empty, people are going crazy, like we don't get snow every year. But anyways, yeah, I'll catch up with y'all later.
Tabamayo. Tabamayo. Koskon taba. My koskon tabamayo.
Good morning, babes. It is now the next day, obviously. I'm getting ready to log into work from home. I am still in Fort Wayne, doing my morning skincare routine. Again, guys, I'm so sorry about the lack of videos or content in this vlog. It's just, especially like yesterday, I was just so busy. But I did end up doing my mom's hair. I'm using this toner by I'm. It's not my favorite. I really do like the Ordinary glycolic acid toner. That thing does the job, okay? I even use it like under my armpits, and like my groin area between my legs, wherever you have like hyperpigmentation, it definitely will help. But that's done, so I'm just using the rest of this. It's really gentle and I do have sensitive skin, but I don't need anything like this gentle. It's not gonna work for me anyway. People are waking up. To finish my skincare, what was I saying? Yeah, I'm just sorry for the lack of content. It's just been busy, and then I honestly forget to pick up the camera, you know. But this is my first go round. I'll definitely do better as we go along, okay? Next thing I use is a hyaluronic acid. This one is by Ordinary. I've been using this for time. It looks like this, but I recently started using this one by La Roche-Posay, and this one, is it focused? I don't know. This one is the best. Yeah, I need to get a refill on a lot of products. When I'm home, I'll definitely do like an empties, like a favorites empties. I'll go through those to show y'all what I've been liking lately. Are both of these just completely out, or what is going on? I need new skincare products. And then last month, I actually went to go see a dermatologist for my acne and hyperpigmentation, and she prescribed me clindamycin that I use in the morning, and then tretinoin. Oh, here it is. Tretinoin, which I use at night, and that's really been helping with my acne all around, not just when I'm on my cycle. So I use that. I put it everywhere. And then here's a moisturizer, also by La Roche-Posay. Put that everywhere. Because both products will leave you dry. And I'm not about that. And then, of course, a sunscreen. This one is by Black Girl. Looks like that. This is my travel size version because I need to re-up on all of my products. So I'm gonna put a good portion size of that on, especially with all these prescription grade products that I'm on. I need like extra sunscreen. So what's the plan for today? Work. I do have a 9 to 5. Actually, you guys, we can do like a little get to know me type of video if y'all are interested. Definitely ask questions in the comments and I'll make sure to answer them like in a sit down, get to know me video. Like, do people still do those? Because I used to enjoy those back in the day. I mean, you guys are free to ask whatever. And I will answer to my best ability. Yeah, I'm gonna make breakfast and log into work. I do have 2 meetings this afternoon, and then I will be heading back to Indianapolis, and hopefully, I'm hoping that the roads are cleared by now. We did get a lot of snow. I want to say here about like 8 inches. They must have got more snow, excuse me, down in Indianapolis and those areas, because I've been seeing everybody complaining. But yeah, as far as my skincare, that's really it. This is what my hair looks like. In the mornings when I just take the scarf off. I know people ask for my recent shorts video, how do I sleep at night, for my hair to stay in its stay intact after I get it styled and whatnot. And I literally just put wear this on the sides like this, and I go to sleep on my back. Well, at least I try to, because I sleep on my side typically, but sleeping on your back will just flatten out the back and not the rest. So, yeah. Take this off. Some earrings. Alright, babes, well, if this is the last of the video, then thank you so much for joining me in this vlog. Don't forget to ask me questions, comment, like, and subscribe, of course. Hope to see you in the next one.